bring these things again. I think I'll run the brake line like under this, like a bit neater, because it was above here, which wasn't bad, but no, I haven't yet. Where's my mug? There you go, got it. Engine. I don't know what to say really. It's the first time taking the engine out, but well, myself anyway. Wasn't as difficult as I was making out to be in my head. Although I should have put something on this, I had to kind of fucking scourge the shit out of that. But overall, good. Nothing broke. Did hit the garage door a lot, but got there in the end. Yeah, it's actually like the clearance is pretty horrific. Yeah, now the plan is just to take everything else out, drop the subframe, and then clean it, do some welding, of course, and then paint, and then put everything back together.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Super fun.
Yeah, it'll be like 3 years later. It'll be like, ah. No, I hope it doesn't take that long.